Now, Digvijay Singh of the Congress party has defended the party, saying the Congress did have Muslim presidents in the past. Listen in.
कल प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा कि कांग्रेस पार्टी मुस्लिमों के लिए हितैषी बनती है। क्या किसी मुस्लिम को कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष बनाएंगे?
देखिए, मुसलमान अध्यक्ष रहे हैं और हमें इस बात का गर्व है। अगर इनको इतनी चिंता है तो वो भाजपा का अध्यक्ष क्यों मुसलमान नहीं बना देते?
सर, कल प्रधानमंत्री ने बोलते हुए ये भी कहा कि अगर कांग्रेस पार्टी मुसलमानों के लिए इतने समय तक इतना सारा काम किया है तो आज देश में मुसलमानों की पहचान पंचर वाले के रूप में नहीं होती। उस पर क्या जवाब है सर आपका?
क्या पंचर वाले कोई पंचर जोड़ने वाले मुसलमान ही है क्या? हिंदू नहीं है क्या? केवल मुसलमानों को टारगेट। ये नरेंद्र मोदी जी बुनियादी रूप से इस देश के अल्पसंख्यक समुदाय के विचारधारा के खिलाफ हैं, गांधी जी के खिलाफ हैं, गांधी जी की विचारधारा खिलाफ हैं। और मेरा तो आरोप है, मोदी जी आप नाथूराम गोडसे की विचारधारा के हैं और आप गांधी जी की विचारधारा के कतई नहीं हैं।
My colleague Niyamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Niyamika, Digvijay Singh, when he was asked about the Prime Minister's dare, went on to say that we have had Muslim presidents of the Congress party. Who is he talking about? Because the Prime Minister's dare was very clear. My one dare to the Congress party is either have a Muslim party president or give 50% of tickets in the Lok Sabha to Muslims.
Well, indeed, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given an open challenge to the Congress party that if they are very much concerned about their vote bank politics, if they actually want the welfare of the Muslim community, then why they are not appointing any Muslim president of the Congress party, or why not they are giving a 50% reservation to the Muslim candidates in all of these elections? And for that reason, we have seen that how the Congress leaders, various Congress leaders are trying to, turn the table to the BJP only, as they are now started asking that why the Prime Minister himself is not implementing this, why there is no Muslim president of the BJP which is being appointed by them. And for that reason, we have also spoken to several of the leaders within the Congress party, which also includes Congress leader and ex-member of Parliament, Mr. Sandeep Dixit, as he has said that this is a ridiculous statement which Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given, because he had made this allegation that both the BJP as well as the RSS actually hates the Muslim community, and that is the reason why they are also trying to build up such kind of narrative against the Congress party itself. But it is not a matter of Hindu or Muslim. This is basically what the Prime Minister is trying to do, is to to maintain his image which he has created, not just in our country but also in all across the world. And for that reason, he not just him but it is the Congress party's social media department chief Supriya Shuneth, who has also called this entire statement as a ridiculous statement by questioning Prime Minister Narendra Modi that why you are targeting one particular community by calling them Panchar Wala. That is also being mentioned by Mr. Digvijay Singh as well, that why such kind of statement has been given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi targeting upon one particular community. Isn't it the Hindu people who are also Panchar Walas? And that is the reason why they are now started questioning the BJP and Prime Minister Narendra Modi in particular, saying that this is basically an attempt on his part to divert the attention from the real issues. And that is the reason why why he is giving this kind of a challenge to the Congress party, as he has no right to comment upon the functioning or the strategy of the Congress party. As if he is actually concerned about the Muslim community in particular, then he should first implement this rule in his own party. Okay, all right. So the Prime Minister was quite clear when he said that if the Congress party says that they are fighting for the Muslims and that's the reason why they are opposed to the amendment to the Waqf law, then why is it that the party does not have a Muslim party president? Why is it that the party does not give 50% of the tickets to Muslims in the elections? Listen in to what Digvijay Singh has said. He has responded to the Prime Minister's dare, and here's what he says.
कल प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा कि कांग्रेस पार्टी मुस्लिमों के लिए हितैषी बनती है। क्या किसी मुस्लिम को कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष बनाएंगे?
देखिए, मुसलमान अध्यक्ष रहे हैं और हमें इस बात का गर्व है। अगर इनको इतनी चिंता है तो वो भाजपा का अध्यक्ष क्यों मुसलमान नहीं बना देते?
सर, कल प्रधानमंत्री ने बोलते हुए ये भी कहा कि अगर कांग्रेस पार्टी मुसलमानों के लिए इतने समय तक इतना सारा काम किया है तो आज देश में मुसलमानों की पहचान पंचर वाले के रूप में नहीं होती। उस पर क्या जवाब है सर आपका?
क्या पंचर वाले कोई पंचर जोड़ने वाले मुसलमान ही है क्या? हिंदू नहीं है क्या? केवल मुसलमानों को टारगेट। ये नरेंद्र मोदी जी बुनियादी रूप से इस देश के अल्पसंख्यक समुदाय के विचारधारा के खिलाफ हैं, गांधी जी के खिलाफ हैं, गांधी जी की विचारधारा खिलाफ हैं। और मेरा तो आरोप है मोदी जी आप नाथूराम गोडसे की विचारधारा के हैं और आप गांधी जी की विचारधारा के कतई नहीं हैं।